You start off by first getting one strand of hair, just like this. And you're going to break it into 3 pieces. Then you're going to braid this one over, and then you're going to grab and add on here. Then you're going to braid, drop this one, and get another one. Then you're going to add more hair, braid, drop, and then grab another piece. And you're going to repeat the same process all around the head. After you keep going all around the head, you keep doing the same process for the ending. And then here, I just braid once, and then you're going to clip it. After you finish braiding, this is what your hair will look like. And then you could finish it off with the braid, or you could just clip it.